Hi kids, welcome back to lesson number 9. Book 1 is Fi Hadikatul Madrasa, which is in the school's garden. So today we will learn the vocabulary which the children are in the garden. Ma hadhan ma hadhihi. What is this? So hadhihi rashasha. This is a watering can. Hadhihi because this is a feminine word because it ends in a ta. Okay. The next is hadhihi midalla. This is an umbrella. So again hadhihi because this is feminine. هذه شجرة. This is a tree. So shajara is a feminine word. هذه زهرة. This is a flower. So again هذه because زهرة is a feminine word. We have to just memorize this. We cannot do it. هذا حب. This is seed. So over here it is هذا because it is masculine. Now we are going to learn ماذا معك and ماذا معك. For a femme girl, ماذا تفعل ماذا تفعلين. What are you doing? Reem, ماذا معك. So I'm using معك because she's a feminine. Reem, what do you have? معي رشاشة. معي means I have. رشاشة is a watering can. So I have a watering can. ماذا تفعلين. So تفعلين because she's a girl. أسقي زهرة. I am watering the flowers. طارق, ماذا معك. معي مقص. I have a scissors. طارق ماذا تفعل. طارق, what are you doing? أقص شجرة. I am cutting the tree. أمل ماذا معك. أمل, what do you have? معي خرطوم. I have a water hose. So معي means I have. ماذا تفعلين. What are you doing? أسقي زهرة. I am watering the flowers. أسقي زهرة. حسام ماذا معك. معي حب. I have seeds. حسام ماذا تفعل. Okay, so the next page is the vocabulary of the letters za, sheen and ba. So the za is present in these words. So this is zahra, this is wazza, this is jazar, and this is mizan. So all these words have za in them. So now let's talk about sheen. Rashasha. So you have sheen there. We have shubak, which is a window, and shajara, which is a tree. So all these have the letter sheen in them. Now wa. So this is habira, and this is midalla, umbrella, and ha. So this is zahra. Zahra has ha in it, and haram has ha in it. So stick with me till the end of the lesson, and I will show you how to write these words. Let me show you how to write these words. So first let me show you za. So za is written like this, za, and the words in za are zahra, which is flower. So zahra, zahra, or zahratun. The next one is goose. So wazza, wazza. Okay, and the next one is carrot, jazar, jim, za, jazara, jazara or jazarun. The next one is swing, is mizan, mizan, mizan. Very good. Now let me teach you the letter sheen. So sheen is written like this. 3 dots, sheen. So sheen, the vocabulary is shajara, shajara, or shajaratun, which is tree. The next one is shubak, shubak or shubakun. The next one is roshasha, which is a watering can. Roshasha. So this is the see how you can write sheen at the beginning, and sheen also in the middle, like this. And this is also same. Zahra, when you see Zahra is in the beginning, in the middle, like so. It's all the same. Now we're going to do the va, the letter va. So va is written like this. First you put like a tummy, and you put a straight line. This is va. Okay, so we have the vocabulary there as havira. I have already shown you how to write havira. So let me write again. Havira. ha, vi, ra, or the hadiratun, which is the cage. The next one is mib, or letter is ha, which is ha. So ha is like this, ha, and the word there is haram, which is a pyramid. Haram, haramun, haram, haram, and this is dhahra, zahra, zahratun, which is the flower. So these are the alphabets in the page which I showed you before.